Our veg food came. This one is veg Parsi pulao. This one is dansak, some special kind of dal.
So guys, this is sign of Zoroastrianism, Farvahar or Faruhar.
This drink. So is when Parsi people came to Pune, so they started this drink. I think in 1884. So before independence, came
After
to.
the war, we fled from Iran to Gujarat, borders of Gujarat, and there we requested the king.
These are like authentic Parsi food. Cello kebab, juje kebab.
This is
These
caramel
are-
custard.
Desserts.
Parsi
These are
dessert.
Parsi desserts. Namaste,
Namaste,
dosto.
dosto.
So today we are going to one Persian restaurant for the first time in India, in Pune, and I'm so excited. I don't know what menu they have, what types of which types of food they have, and I just know they have veg and
Yes.
non-veg both, and they have Persian restaurant. So we are going with one of our best friends. I mean, they are couple in past also we put video from them. Anarita and her husband, they are our friends. So we are going with them. I think it will be 10-15 minutes away from them, but it's further to us.
From here it's nearly 1 hour because of traffic now.
That's why now we are going. So we thought, okay, let's record and we'll go and we'll show you the restaurant and the menu and what things they have. You told me that they have something special also. I
One
forgot.
drink is there, I forgot. Ardi or something, I forgot the
Okay.
name. So a lot of people said that drink is so famous in Pune. And it's
It's
from lot
Persian
of days.
drink?
Means when the Parsi people came here in Pune, they started that drink.
Okay.
Now also it's there. So that one I want to
Oh,
try.
great.
And I was searching a lot of Persian restaurant in Pune, but most of them were non-veg.
Yeah, and
So
we are
this
veg,
one I,
so we
uh,
could
this
not
one
eat
I
anything.
found which have veg and non-veg both options.
Wow, great.
So our friends they are coming now. One of them is veg, one of them is non-veg.
Yeah.
It's like 3 veg, 1 non-veg. So let's see how is the food. Will tell the taste, how is the taste, and
What-
he'll explain everything. What type of
What
food
type
is there?
of food is there and like drinks or whatever is there, we will show you guys.
Okay, guys.
I'm so excited because it's the first time,
First time
we are
because
going
going.
to
I also.
Persian restaurant in
Uh,
India.
Yes, in Mahabashir we went Rustam, but their food was
That
mostly
one
famous
was-
for non-veg.
And it was not Persian, it was
Uh,
Parsi.
Parsi, but
I mean, they just had
Indian
some...
food they
non-veg, yeah.
they are giving as a Parsi food. But this one is like authentic Persian food is there, so we'll go and check how it is.
Let's go. I'm so hungry. I didn't eat anything to just go there and
So
eat
smart.
there. Let's go, guys.
Let's go, guys.
Chalo.
Hello guys. Lot of people are saying कि petrol is going to finish or price is going to increase.
Yeah.
So I am saying to Vita कि let's go to petrol pump and
Let's fill up our petrol.
make it full. So because we want to go long trip also na, so there will be
Yeah.
no issue.
Let's do it because we have just half petrol.
And we don't know when this war will stop and this thing, so it's better to make it full.
I think price will go so.
This is the restaurant King's Persian Bistro.
King's Persian. Queen of Persia nadare. It's not there. Queen of Persia.
You can ask.
King is there already. Queen also came. So, what's time?
8:13.
I think after 10-15 minutes, our friends also will reach. So we'll go inside till they reach.
We'll see what things they have. We
Maybe
can
some
talk.
Drink or something. We'll drink till they-
Also, we park our car there. There was space. I don't know it's parking space or not, but let's hope nothing will happen. Let's go. This one is the restaurant.
Oh my god, they have Zeresh Polo.
I don't know.
Zeresh is Berberi.
Ah, Jerusalem, I know that one.
Yeah.
Dry
So
bearberry.
they have patron, these things I don't know. Cholo kebab. I should have taken my family here. They are non-veg now.
See guys, miss. Most of them are Iranian.
Cholo kebab, non-veg.
Jeresh pulao is non-veg.
No, but they put chicken inside.
Oh, okay. For veg, I don't know what they have.
But I think it is so good for non-veg people.
One of our friend is non-veg, he will enjoy.
Let's see what things are there. Iranian things which are good for us.
Okay, let's go.
Oh, it's same actually.
Nah, that one is different. Badshah. Arre.
Oh, it's different.
Different. Upside, I think we have to go.
Okay.
Arre.
Let's go, let's see.
Head. My head was going to hit.
I think hair is old. No? See how old radio.
Ah. Oh, painting also are so different.
I want to know here is.
See the restaurant side, left side. Over a Mazda.
Wow.
You saw?
So, I thought here is just Persian. Persian restaurant is like Persian foods they have, but
Ah.
I just got to know ki it's Parsi restaurant.
Ah.
Let's go.
Let's go. Oh, my head was going to hit now. So guys, she's
No, I'm the running partner. over
okay.
here.
She's the running
Working
partner. Okay.
So actually she's also Parsi. I didn't know this restaurant is Parsi restaurant. I thought just they have Persian food.
No, we have Parsi and Persian food.
Okay.
Yeah.
And how old is this restaurant?
This restaurant was about 19 years old.
So unfortunately we are veg. Cannot
For which, what options are there?
We have veg dhansa, vegetable stew, bacon drumstick patia, vegetable pulao dal.
Okay.
All that Parsi we have, and then we have veg au gratin in continental.
Okay. So let's see how it is.
Parsi you said.
One drink I heard RD or
RDs.
RD. This one.
That is the Parsi
This one.
drinks, yes.
Oh, is it?
This one I heard is so old.
It's not there anywhere else.
No, only in some restaurant you will find.
Yeah, you find in all the Irani cafes, Parsi restaurants.
So I heard lots. So this one also we have to try.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Let's see one. So guys, one of the things first of all I want to try is RD soda.
RD soda is so
I want
famous.
to see it's what, because they are saying that in Parsi restaurants everywhere you will find it and it's so famous. So let's see it's what. Other than that, let's see what they have as a veg.
For veg also they are saying
I
Parsi
think
food
we
is
will
there.
wait.
Ah.
Once our friends come, then we will ask them what things are famous here.
And that
as
one
a
it
veg.
is. Ah.
And we'll record. Very nice. I thought it's Persian restaurant.
It's
but
Persian,
I
no?
got
Persian
some-
Parsi.
Miss,
You should say.
I didn't know
Ah.
the owner is Parsi.
Ah.
And I got so much amazed by watching this tablo of
Arre.
Kandarani.
Over a Mazda.
It means good words, good deeds, and good thoughts.
This.
So guys, she's saying that after the war, she came. Their ancestor came
after
to.
the war, we fled from Iran to Gujarat, borders of Gujarat, and there we requested the king.
But even with face also you can understand someone is from Iran,
Iran
or
and
India. No?
Yes.
After these many years, still Parsi people have Iranian face on.
Yes, yes. Okay.
Especially nose.
Nose.
Yeah.
We are well known for a big nose.
Yeah. So our other friends also are coming.
Yes,
They
yes.
also, one of them is Iranian, one of them is mixed Indian.
Okay. So one is non-veg, no?
One is non-veg, so he's going to
So
enjoy.
we are gonna make him taste Parsi patru. No, the Parsi patru.
This one.
It's a variety of dishes, Parsi dishes, served on banana leaf.
Wow. It's like
Like how
thali, na?
we serve in weddings.
Oh, so good.
Let's start non-veg.
I think Parsi foods are like mixed combination of Persian food and India because we don't have banana leaf in Iran. So they came here, it's like little bit they got changed. So guys, they took menu for us and we are waiting for our friends after I think 10 minutes.
10
they
15
will
minutes they will come.
So we thought till that time we'll order soup as a starter. So we both ordered cream of mushroom soup.
Cream of mushrooms.
Means it's cream and mushroom and I think milk. So this is my favorite soup and I want to see that how is the taste here in Persian restaurant, because I have tried it in other restaurants.
So you want to
but
compare which one is
I want to
better?
see here how is the taste. And after that, we will order that special drink RTO.
RD.
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 So let's see. We are waiting. They took Chinese sauce for us. I think for soup. I think this one is soya sauce because it's black. This one is mirchi,
That was Bita's favorite.
and this one I don't know.
I think Pudina.
Pudina.
Name the name.
Still smelling a little bit
Spicy.
Looking so delicious.
Taste and tell me the difference. Because different places we tried.
It's good.
It's good?
Yeah. Means I can easily feel taste of mushroom and cream. So tasty. I like it. They didn't put any sugar also, which I like. Really. Because other places sometimes they are putting sugar. This one
In
is
all soup they put sugar. It's good. Guys, our friends came, Saad and Anaita. And today guess what? Who is going to enjoy a lot?
Me?
Yes.
Because of the non-veg? Yeah.
Proper authentic Persian food you are going to taste today. Kebab and this thing. Really? Whatever in Iran they have food, those things are available
so
here.
actually after seeing menu, I also was feeling like maybe it's wrong we are veg. Now only I was saying to Bagwan, what is this? We cannot drink beer.
Oh, this beer
We are
also.
very
I just saw.
Beer house is there. Means if you want. And so many Iranian dishes are there, you can taste.
So this guy is explaining what to eat.
We have a lot of options.
And we?
We don't have any options. The 4 options are there, we have to ask her which is better.
Patrani machi, you know?
Oh, macaroni also they have.
No, pepperoni something they are saying, not macaroni.
Patrani machi.
So guys, for veg people only 5 options there, 5-6 options, but these are like authentic Parsi food. It's like sali paneer, baigan drumstick, veg stew, veg Parsi pulao, dansak dal. So we ordered each of them little, so taste. But for non-veg people, so many options are there. And special is this one. Wait man, authentic Persian food I will show you. Cello kebab, juje kebab, Jeraf's pulao. So these are like famous food here, Persian
A
food.
lot of Parsi dishes, even very well-known Parsi dishes. If you can show this section, some very famous Parsi dishes.
And he's going to try Jeraf's pulao,
Zeresh pulao.
Jeraf's pulao, and
Again say?
Jeraf's pulao, Jeraf's pulao,
Apart from the Zeresh pulao, I'm also trying the
This is Zeresh Pulu.
Zeresh pulao.
Jeraf's
Zeresh
pulao.
pulao, I'm also going to try the chicken dansak.
Okay.
Yeah, so I'll let you all know how the chicken dansak is as well.
And with food we ordered drinks also, RD, which are like so famous in Persian restaurant. So we ordered like 3 flavors. So we'll taste and we'll let you know which one is better.
So guys, this is sign of Zoroastrianism, Farvahar or Faruhar, Pendarenik, Goftarenik, Kerdarenik. Means good thoughts, good words and good deeds.
So guys, we took drinks also, RD's drink. So is when Parsi people came to Pune, so they started this drink, I think in 1884, so before independence.
So this one I like so much. Taste is, Bagu, you will love it. It's Delester only.
So Delester is one drink in Iran that I used to like so much. It's like non-alcoholic drink.
Non-alcoholic beverage. It's exactly same. Same.
So but I think it's same like Delester in Iran.
Try it, it's same.
Let's see. Guys, I tried this one, peach flavor. It's exact similar to that Delester, whatever they have in Iran. And she was saying ki this restaurant is like nearly 19 years old, and she's the person.
Started.
She's managing this restaurant, and from nearly She's saying a lot of years she work hard, then only people are coming, and mostly non-Parsi people are coming for Parsi food. So this one is lemon flavor. This one is raspberry. They are saying it's like cup syrup. And she's saying she didn't like beta. She didn't like. Let's see.
No, what this lemon and this
Lemon
one,
and that peach
special
one is good.
peach. It's, oh my god, it reminded me of the recipe. I love it.
Is our veg food came. This one is veg Parsi pulao. This one is
Dhansak.
dansak, some special
Veg
kind of
Parsi
dal.
veg dhansak.
And this one,
It comes with the dansak. Rice that
oh,
comes
with
the
this
dansak.
dansak. And this one, veg stew. They were saying
Veg
that
stew.
we have to eat with chapati. I think this one.
Yeah.
Okay.
And he has a special
One
chicken also.
chicken farcha.
You can eat.
I already ate. I just left this for the camera.
So this one, what I forgot.
Chicken dhansak.
Chicken dansak with
The
rice and
rice.
meatball. I think
Yes.
that one is. Chicken
Chicken
kebab. Okay. So eat and tell me how is the taste.
Vegan kebab. So, here is a spoon. Oh.
So it will taste fast. So I also want to eat.
Sorry.
Okay.
नहीं नहीं उसके आगे का जीपे किया जीपे है मेरे पास है जीपे
One thing that
जीपे किया
I like so much about food, it's not oily.
It's not
See?
oily.
No. It's like
In
homemade.
restaurant, pulao is like so much oily generally.
It's like homemade.
Ah.
Even the taste of pulao is so good. It's not like so much masala or so much oil is there. It's so good. I feel like I am eating homemade food.
What about your
But you
non-veg?
see, Chicken is not something that is very oily. It's very, very nice. It's
I want to
exactly what you
see
said.
how you like this chicken dansak
That
later.
is next. We'll try it next. In 5 minutes, I'll give you update.
Okay.
This chicken farcha is excellent. It's not very oily like you would get in most places. Very enjoyable.
Okay.
You also try and tell me.
So this one is veg stew. Let's see how it is. I never tried. Like it's like vegetable. I think they boil na with masala. Okay. Let's see how it is.
Even veg stew also is not that much oily.
Not at all.
I like the food.
How it is.
I will again come here. You
It's
like?
good.
And how about chapati?
Chapati is normal, you can say, but this
Mhm.
food is good.
I also like the food. It's better than Mahabaleshwar one Rustam restaurant we went.
No, that one was
Not that
non-veg.
good. Even
Here they have veg options also.
yeah.
We make our masalas here in house.
Are you also Parsi?
Yes, I am a Parsi.
And are you a chef or something? I mean, is your
Yes,
background?
yes, I am a
Because
chef.
You tend to know your.
This is the
You have a.
chiranji.
Chiranji.
This is chiranji. This is a
I know,
dry
I've
fruit.
seen
You
this,
can
I've seen
you can
this.
taste it like that only. It's very sweet. Sweet.
I never heard.
It's
It's available in India,
Yes, very. much.
Maharashtra also.
Yes,
I have never heard.
Chiranji.
Chiranji with called. It's called.
Huh?
I have never seen before.
Give me one.
So we put this in the lagannu custard. Then we bake it with eggs.
It's like seed. Pumpkin seed type.
Guys,
This is
these
caramel
are
custard.
Desserts.
Parsi
These are
dessert.
Parsi desserts. This one is what?
This is caramel custard.
Okay.
And this is the authentic Parsi lagannu custard.
Lagannu. It's made
This
from
is
what?
lagannu. This is made from milk. They boil the milk. They make
It's like khawa, I think.
they make 7 liters of milk to 4 liters of milk, and they put this chiroli, which is a type of a dry fruit.
And this one is made from what?
This is proper milk caramel custard,
I think
which
egg.
is made with milk, egg, and I think sugar.
Okay. But this one I feel is khawa. I remember in childhood we ate in village.
You can
let's
try and see how it
It
looks.
might-
Let's try it out and let's see how it is.
I think it's khawa. I'm watching only, I can see. It's khawa.
Kawa?
Khawa na khawa.
What is kawa?
From milk they make. You have to heat milk continuously. Then this will.
What this was a cake? It's like cake.
Try it.
Masa? It's like halwa.
Halwa.
It's good. I like it. It's not so much sweet also.
It's not sweet.
So guys, here they have this chair also. Means people who cannot walk on the stair, they can just sit here.
It's first time I saw
And
something
they,
like this.
first time I
Huh?
saw in this restaurant.
So you'll sit and you'll go up. If
So
I
good.
knew, I would act like I cannot walk. I would sit here and take me up.
And,
It was really good.